Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Fantastic Farah. If you just tuned in, my name is Farah. And today we are going to be making zines. Zines are a little booklet that you can write things in. What you will need is one white piece of printing paper. Make sure it's blank. You will need a stapler, something to write on it with or decorate. You can use markers, pens, pencils, anything really, and scissors. The first thing that you will need to do is take your piece of paper and fold it in half the hot dog way, as some people call it. You should end up with something like this. Then you want to fold it in half once again. You should end up with something like this. Then you have to fold it in half once again. Should get something like this. And then you have to unfold it all the way. Then you want to fold it the hamburger way. And you should end up with something like this. Then you want to take your scissors and cut on the middle crease. All the way until this middle marking. So then you'll have something like this. Then unfold it again and fold it the hot dog way. Then you should have this slit, and you're going to take these 2 points. You're going to try to push your fingers together. Then you can connect them together from here. From here, you can fold it and go till here. Then fold them in half. Here is your 4-paged zine. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want more pages, here's what you can do. You take your stapler and staple 2 staples in the middle. And then you can fold it back into half. Then you want to take your scissors again. Here, for this page, what you want to do is, it's closed from the bottom here. So you want to cut the bottom. And then you'll have 2 pages. And then for the next page, it is up here. So take it. you'll have the 4 pages, and on the bottom or top again, depends on how you do it. And then the side again. And then if needed, you can re-staple things. And then you have your zine. And you can have any theme if you want to make it about how to make slime, which is what I'm going to do. You can do it like that. If you know how to sew, you can do it on how to sew. Or you could make it a joke book or a storybook, anything you would like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try making a zine. I hope you come next time. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel and give this video a big like. See you next time. Bye.